Semrush versus HubSpot. In today's video, we are going to learn about Semrush and HubSpot to compare which one is best. So let's get started. So the first thing, Semrush is SEO and digital marketing tool, while HubSpot is CRM and inbound marketing platform. Over here, Semrush focus on SEO, keyword research, competitor analysis, and PPC, making it ideal for businesses that want to improve their search rankings. After that, HubSpot is designed for customer relationship management, lead generation, and marketing automation. Then it is perfect for businesses that need a CRM system, email marketing, and sales tracking tools. Over here, Semrush offers powerful SEO tools like backlink analysis, site audits, and keyword tracking, helping businesses optimize their online presence. After that, it also provides content marketing and PPC management features which HubSpot lacks. Then HubSpot stands out for its CRM and automation tools, allowing business to track leads, create email campaigns, and manage sales pipelines. Over here, if you are looking for lead nurturing and customer management, HubSpot is the better choice. So Semrush is best for businesses focused on SEO and marketing. So that's the comparison of Semrush versus HubSpot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.